How to fix cumulative update KB4034674 fails to install on Windows 10. Here are some methods that would help fix cumulative update KB4034674 fails to install on Windows 10. 1. Download and install the KB4034674 update at https://www.catalog.update.microsoft.com/home.aspx. Microsoft Update Catalog manually. 2. Using DISM tool as admin. dism.exe/online/cleanup-image/restore health 3. Reset Windows Update components. 4. Repair your PC using bootable media via the automatic repair option. Plan B, run the following commands in the command prompt: /fix mbr /fix boot /rebuild bcd.